yard. This is 1206. We're passing milepost 52 heading northbound on the main one.
1206, who am I speaking with?
Frank Barnes, the engineer.
This is Connie Hooper, yardmaster at Fuller. Why are you still on the main line?
We were directed to a siding that's a no-go. We're heading to a rip track just past milepost 50. And we need to know the location of your yard's train.
It just passed milepost 47.
Holy shit.
They tried to side it, but it jumped the switch and derailed the lash-up.
Lash up? Who was driving?
The engineer, a 26-year rail company veteran, was killed today in Keating Summit, central Pennsylvania.
Judge Stewart.
Stewart? You said Stewart.
Judge Stewart, an engineer from Brewster.
You know him?
What's your power on the point?
5,000 horses. She's not a hot shot, but she's still got some life left in her. Over.
Give her all you got. Tell Galvin we got 2 guys out on the main line about to play chicken with our train.
We tried to stop it.
What?
We blew it. That train's got to go down. The only question is how to minimize the damage.
Be quiet.
We just learned that there is yet another train on this track, headed directly at the Runaway. The numbers are
hell is
staggering.
this?
We are talking about hundreds.
We gotta learn about it on
of small towns
damn
like-
TV.
Nicole, listen, don't hang up. Don't hang up.
Dad, I'm busy, okay?
Okay, I understand. I
Dad.
just wanted to tell you that I love you. That's all.
Okay, fine. Dad, what's wrong?
Nothing.
Dad, what's wrong?
Just tell your sister I love you both. Okay? I gotta go.
What's wrong?
.1206, how are you holding up?
About a half a mile from that rip track. Over.
Chances are you're gonna see 777's nose any minute now.
Affirmative.
Why are you braking?
Trust me, if we head in this hot, we'll tear right off the track.
Oh, Jesus.
Get her down to 40 and brace yourself. You need to get at least 10 cars into the siding.